cheesecake. For this cake, I will show you the dry ingredient first. This is all-purpose flour, corn flour or cornstarch or maizena, and baking powder. Now you sieve the flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. You mix with the whisk and set aside. For the wet ingredients, we need salted butter, castor sugar, eggs, cheddar cheese, cream cheese, fresh milk, and this is cheddar cheese for the topping. First, I will mix the butter. And castor sugar. Then you add the cream cheese. Sorry. And mix it again. Mix this until creamy. Then you add egg, one at a time. And you beat again. Now add 2 tablespoons of the flour mixture. And you mix it. Then you add the last egg. add the flour mixer. And you mix it again. Now add the fresh milk. And beat again. The rest of the flour. And you beat again. Now you add the cheddar cheese. And you mix with spatula. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius, and if you have a loaf pan 30 by 11 centimeter or 12 by 4 inch, you can use that loaf pan. I will use this baking pan, and I think because the butter a lot, I will use another loaf pan also, this one, silicone one. And put the butter here. You sprinkle with the cheddar cheese on the top. You use loaf pan 30 by 11 centimeter. You can bake this for 45 until 50 minutes. But for this one, I will tell you later. You see, it's beautiful. I baked this cake with this baking pan for 30 minutes. This is the result, and I'm really satisfied with the result. Soft, and I can't wait to taste that because it smells really good. Now I want to taste this cheesecake, butter cheesecake. You see this? Mmm. 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 If you already tried to make butter cake, this cake also tastes like butter cake, but mixed with the cheese inside. Oh, really good. Try this, you will like. Okay, for this is enough for the recipe. uh, See you for the next recipe, and take care, stay positive, bye.